Hello friends, welcome to this video and I wanted to show how to buy cryptocurrency and sell. So this video will show you just that. Now I'm on Poloniex, poloniex.com, which is the world famous exchange, one of the largest exchanges to buy and sell cryptocurrency. So when you buy Bitcoin, you exchange your dollars uh, for Bitcoin. So you send your dollars to an account and buy Bitcoin. Once you have Bitcoin, you can send that Bitcoin to the Poloniex exchange. And my other video covers how to send over Bitcoin, and there are many other videos on YouTube which do that. So once your Poloniex account has Bitcoin, then this is how we buy it. So I have purchased some cryptocurrency right now and I am going to sell it. So I go to balances, deposit and withdrawals, and this will show you the cryptocurrency that I'm holding. So you can see that I'm almost holding no Bitcoin, 83 OMG coins, 49 Qtum coins, and 461 NEM coins. So I'm going to sell the NEM coins and buy Qtum coins right now. And that is because Qtum is rising faster than NEM. So we go to exchange tab. Exchange is where you do the buying and selling. In Poloniex, we do not use margin lending and lending tabs usually. And here is where you go and select. So you are going to trade for Bitcoin. That means you're saying that I will sell XCM in return for Bitcoin. So if you want to sell XCM and get US dollars, USDT, then you can choose XCM here. But I want to get Bitcoin. So I can just type here NEM, that is a symbol for XCM, and click on XCM here. Once you click on XCM here, this chart gets updated for XCM BTC like you see here, and then it shows you the last price and stuff like this, and a graph, and like you see it has shot up in value. Okay, now here I come. This is buying XCM, this is selling XCM. So I want to sell all 461 that I have. So I'll just click on this 461 and it automatically populates here that this is the current price and this is the amount of Bitcoin that I will get when I sell all of these. This is just worth $40, right? So fine, I'll go ahead and click sell. And when I click sell, then the order goes in the queue. And if there is, okay, so the order is placed. So if you go below here, you will see that my order should show here. So if your order doesn't show here, that means it's closed. If your order is not closed, it will show up here, and then you can cancel your order if you want to change the price. And this table here shows the price. So people are buying at this price and people are selling at this price. So if your order is in the queue for a little longer, you probably need to change your price. So here the price was 813, and if you change your price to what is the current price here, you will actually have your order immediately executed. So in that case, if I now look at deposits and withdrawals, I should see that I do not hold any more XCM. So it does take a while to populate here. Okay, yeah. So you see, I don't hold any more XCM and now I have some Bitcoin. So let's go back to the exchange and I will go and buy more Qtum coins for whatever number of Qtum coins I can get in this much of Bitcoin. And that is because I believe that Qtum is going to go higher in the short run. So I want to own it. So I click Qtum. So this becomes Qtum BTC now. And that's the graph of Qtum. So you see it's increasing in price and it has come low. So I'm buying at this price. So next when it goes here, I'll earn. Now we want to buy Qtum. So we say, okay, for all the Bitcoin that I have, you have this much Bitcoin. I'll click that. For all, how much Qtum do I get? So I get 8.23 coins at this price, and I'll say buy. So this is the price, and he say, okay, I bought 8.23 Qtum, so I'm buying at market price. All right, I can actually look at this table here and say, oh, I do not want to buy at 45560 because people are selling at 6575 and people are buying at 45560, and this is 45128. So I'll say I want to buy at 45200, for example, and wait until some seller is ready to negotiate and give it to me at 45200. But if you want the sale to go through immediately, then you are taking whatever is the latest price here. So a good practice would be to put a number which is something here about 6 7 numbers below, so that when this queue moves you get it at a cheaper price than the current price. But then you have to wait for the order, obviously. And what happens is also that that saves you some money. Now in my case, why I executed this at market price was because this is just worth $40. So the difference in the number of coins I get is extremely marginal. It's point something, so I don't care. Right now, let's go back and see my account, and you will see that it shows you that I have more Qtum coins now. 8 more coins, right? So 49 is 57 now. Okay, so this completes this video, and you saw how you can buy and sell. It's the same procedure that you do whether you are on Poloniex or you are on Bitfinex or you are on Binance, any exchange. So you buy a coin in exchange of something. That something can be a USDT tether or it can be Bitcoin. So you need Bitcoin first, and then you can use Bitcoin to buy other coins. So I would like to make a suggestion here. I have created a complete course on how to trade bitcoins, how to see charts, how to spot opportunities, and also how to on a daily basis trade different coins and bitcoin with leverage particularly. If you would like to learn all of this and trading Bitcoin in particular on a daily basis to take advantage of market movements, then you can look at the course in the description. I have kept a link to the course. You can go through the content, you can watch the free videos, and then you can consider to buy. I have been selling this course in the classroom at $2,500, and now I'm giving away the entire video course dirt cheap. So you can just check out the link in the description, and then if you like to learn all of this, including how to keep wallets, how to store Bitcoin in wallets, everything. It's a complete comprehensive course on Bitcoin trading, purchasing, altcoin trading, different platforms, all of it. So you're going to love it, right? It's steal for this price. So check it out. Thanks. All right. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.